when you are not sure. Stop saying only maybe. Sound more natural in English. આજે maybe ના better sentence શીખીએ. From basic to fluent. First basic level. Maybe. કદાચ. Now better level. Maybe later. કદાચ પછી. Now fluent level. It depends on. એ પર આધાર રાખે છે. Let's see an example. It depends on my schedule. એ મારા સમય પર આધાર રાખે છે. So friends, fluent English means clear thinking expressions. Clear બોલો, confident લાગશે. Comment below day 20 done. Practice must. Daily practice કરતા રહો. See you soon tomorrow.